Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make kimchi fried rice. Slice 1 whole onion, half can Korean spam, chop green onions for garnish, 1 cup of chopped kimchi, 3 cups of jasmine rice set overnight in refrigerator. Add olive oil and spam, stir for 3 to 4 minutes until cooked. Add onion and stir for 3 to 4 minutes until onion cook, and then add a chopped kimchi and keep stirring. Add rice. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, a pinch of salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 3 to 4 teaspoons kimchi juice, 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot Korean pepper paste, and mix well. On low heat, add a little bit of olive oil and eggs. Garnish with green onion and seaweed if you want, and enjoy!